Unlock the hidden power of your rig by making your integrated graphics and dedicated GPU work in perfect harmony. Today, we're diving deep into how to leverage both your CPU's integrated graphics and your powerful dedicated GPU simultaneously, a setup that can seriously boost your system's performance for a wider range of tasks. First, ensure your monitor is physically connected to your dedicated graphics card. This is crucial, as most of your demanding applications will default to the GPU outputs. Next, let's confirm both your integrated graphics and your dedicated GPU are recognized by your system. Open your device manager in Windows, usually by right-clicking the Start button and selecting it from the menu. Under Display Adapters, you should see both your Intel HD graphics or AMD Radeon integrated solution, alongside your NVIDIA GeForce or AMD Radeon dedicated graphics card. Now, for the real magic, we'll configure which graphics processor applications use for NVIDIA users. Open the NVIDIA control panel, navigate to Manage 3D Settings, and then to Program Settings. Here, you can select specific programs like your web browser or video editing software and assign them to use your integrated graphics. This frees up your dedicated GPU for gaming and demanding creative workloads. For AMD users, the process is similar. Open the AMD Radeon software, go to the Gaming tab, and then into Global Settings you'll find options to manage graphics profiles and performance settings for various applications. You can add individual applications to further customize their graphics processor preferences. Think of it as assigning lighter tasks to your integrated graphics to keep your powerful GPU focused on what it does best. By strategically assigning tasks, you're not just using both graphics solutions. You're optimizing your system's resource allocation. This means smoother multitasking, better efficiency for everyday applications, and maximum frame rates when you're powering through your favorite games or rendering complex projects. Experiment with different settings to find the perfect balance for your workflow and enjoy a more powerful, versatile computing experience.